lot of people ask us, what is the best knife shape for me? Well, there's a lot of different answers to that, but I think you can make a pretty strong case for the Santokus. Santokus are pretty universal knives. They're pretty easy to use, and pretty much every manufacturer and blacksmith makes one for us. One of my very favorites is the Sugimori. So Santokus are typified by their shape here. They have sort of a sloped tip that comes down to the cutting board, a pretty flat edge down at the bottom here. So when you're working with this guy, it makes a lot of contact really easily. Let's chop something up here. When we have a skinned fruit like a tomato, it can be really difficult to make it through that skin at the bottom. But this guy makes short work of it because it makes so much contact so easily. It's also great for like garlic and herbs and stuff where you're making a lot of contact against the board. It's not the biggest knife that we got, which makes it really accessible. I think that home cooks and pros alike can get a lot of use out of a Santoku.